Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing another unboxing. Really quick disclaimer before I jump into it. I don't want you to think that I'm only gonna do unboxings on my channel because I'm not, but like I said in my last video, I do have a vacation coming up. So some of these items I've purchased for the vacation, and then some of them have just been on my wish list for a while. So sorry about that. But the next couple of videos probably will be unboxings, and then I feel like after October it might start to kind of like calm down. But yeah, so I have the package here in front of me and I already cut it open. So I'm just gonna unbox it with you guys. And it is by YSL. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let me take the box out. We're just gonna put that behind us. I'll clean it up later. So yes, this is what it looks like. It is by Saint Laurent. And it is a pair of sunglasses. As I'm sure you already saw by the title. I'm gonna take, actually let's just see. I'm pretty sure this is just the receipt. But yeah, it looks like it's just, they send you a return label and then a little like YSL thank you card, and then yeah, it's just talking about the returns and then your actual receipt. So nothing too fancy there. Okay, so now the actual, am I gonna have to actually untie this? I thought these usually just like popped off. Oh yeah, they do. Okay, so I'm just popping off the ribbon there. This is kind of a big box for sunglasses. And then it's here. I don't know what this is, but, and here they are. Okay, quick disclaimer too, not disclaimer necessarily, but background. I have been using the same sunglasses for 7 years. It's a pair of Gucci sunglasses that I got from Nordstrom, like legit 7 years ago. So I'm not somebody who has like 10 million sunglasses, but I was like, you know what? I feel like it's time. I feel like I can justify another pair of sunglasses. So this is the sunglass case, nice and smooth. And this is them. I really hope I like these, because I will say my Gucci sunglasses are super duper comfortable. Oh, these feel nice and lightweight. Oh, thank goodness. Because I also hate heavy sunglasses. This is them. Sorry about the reflection, but this is them. Oh my gosh. Okay. So they are just a pair of black sunglasses. I will put the actual model of them somewhere on the screen, and I will of course link them below for you guys. But this is what they look like. I'm trying to show them in a way that it won't be reflective, but I'm failing at that. But yeah, so they are all black. The side has a little black matte YSL. There we go. It's just a little YSL and it's like matte black. And then it's just pretty plain, which is what I wanted. YSL does have like some fancier sunglasses, but I was like, I don't want that. I just want something all black, really plain, and kind of understated. On the inside, it does also say Saint Laurent right here. So you guys can see that right there. But I mean, that's pretty much it. I didn't really want it to be too flashy. Okay, moment of truth. I'm trying them on. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. Oh, I love these. Oh my goodness. Okay, honest thoughts. Wish you guys could tell me right now in real time. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment down below. Do you like them? What are your thoughts? Oh my gosh. Okay, so side profile. Like anybody cares. I don't know, I care. But anyway, just to show you guys, this is what it looks like on the side. This is what it looks like on the other side. I'm totally being a dork now. And this is what it looks like in the front, you guys. I love these. And the biggest thing, because I purchased, and they're really good as far as, what's the technical term? The I don't know, like the lens, like how dark it is, because you know some of the lens in the sunglasses it's not like so dark. These, and I'm in front of studio lights, so when I put them on, it really took down the light, and then when I took it back off, I was like, whoa. They're so pretty. They're just like the perfect pair of like black, chic, classic sunglasses. I love them so much, and I love that they're so lightweight, because I did purchase about, I don't know, maybe a little less than a year ago. I wanted a new pair of sunglasses again because I've had that one Gucci pair forever now. So I ordered a pair of, I believe it was Celine sunglasses, and they were beautiful. They were really pretty, but oh my goodness, were they heavy. They were like so heavy, to the point where they were just like falling down. It was like the weight was too much, and they were just like sliding down on my face. I didn't even wear them for like one day. I don't even think I wore them for like an hour out, and I was like, nope, I can't. And they were expensive. I mean, they were kind of expensive, I felt like, and so I returned them. I just couldn't. These are not like that at all. Very lightweight. Not like cheap, but just lightweight and very comfortable. So as far as how they come to you, you guys already saw the box, but I'll show you again the case. It does say Saint Laurent at the top, but I feel like it's very understated, very classy. There is a magnet at the top here just to help close, so it kind of snaps there. And then on the inside, you get a pamphlet and a little cloth to clean the lenses. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. I love these so much. I think I'll just go ahead and end the video with them on. But yeah, if you guys like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.